morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about acceleration and retardation. We can say acceleration, how we can define acceleration? Whenever an object is speeding up, when the speed of an object is increase, we can say the body is accelerated. But whenever the speed of body is slow down, we will say body's retardation, or we can say deceleration. Deceleration and retardation is the same terms we are using. Whenever the speed is slowing down, we can say the body is declaring or retarding. At the same time, whenever speed is becoming up, we can say body is accelerating. In the other side, how we can just discuss on that. They are saying what causes acceleration, what is the reason behind when acceleration is generated. They told anything that changes speed causes acceleration. If speed will increase, we can say acceleration is taking place. When speed is coming in the slow form, at that time we can say retardation is taking place. Some more, that is why when acceleration is taking place, when it is created, the following affects acceleration. Number one, speeding up. Whenever speed of an object is increasing, we can say acceleration is taking place. Whenever speed is slowing down, retardation is taking place. Retardation is also negative acceleration. So you can't say retardation is taking place, acceleration is not taking place, because acceleration is already negative of the retardation. Retardation is already acceleration, negative of acceleration. So these are the same terms. Now we can say change in direction also. Whenever a body is slowing down or getting the speed high or changing the direction, in all such situation acceleration is generated, or we can say these are the causes of acceleration. Some more things regarding acceleration. What is the SI unit? Whether it is a vector quantity or scalar quantity, all these things we will discuss regarding the acceleration. One more thing they are saying, acceleration can be defined. A car is accelerating, this is an example, whenever there is change in its state of motion. If body is, suppose this is the position of the car. If it is increasing the velocity, decreasing the velocity, or changing the direction, in all three situations we can say that body is accelerated. How we can define acceleration? First, the definition of acceleration. Acceleration, change in velocity per unit time is known as acceleration, or we can say change in rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. Rate of change of velocity, again you can just understand, divided T means rate of what? Change in velocity. Now definition form, rate of change in velocity is known as acceleration. Repeatedly we can say, because this is another definition we can form. The change in velocity per unit time. Suppose we will consider the time is 1 second. If time is 1 second, so we can say per unit time or constant time. The change in velocity per unit time or a constant time is known as acceleration. So in such situations we can say A is equal to V minus U upon T. Now the term V minus U, they are saying change in velocity. Already we discussed change in velocity per unit time is known as acceleration. How change in velocity? Suppose a body is start moving with the velocity U and reached at a point with velocity V. What is the change in velocity? Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. We can say V minus U. So what is V minus U? V minus U is change in velocity we placed here per unit time T and will be equal to acceleration. Now how we can find the SI unit? V minus U means here velocity. What is the SI unit of velocity? Meter per second. Divided by time, the SI unit of time is second. This second will come this side and it will form the SI unit, meter per second square. In another term, we can write down meter second minus 2 power. So this is the SI unit of acceleration. Now another term came. Now here, whether it is a scalar quantity or vector quantity, because continuously we are saying whether increasing in direction or decreasing in direction, indicated direction matters. When director matters, then simply we can say this is a vector quantity altogether, not a scalar quantity. So terms we discussed, the definition, rate of change of, simply the definition, if we will discuss about the definition of acceleration, we can say rate of change in velocity is known as acceleration. First point. Second point, what is SI unit? Meter per second square. Whether scalar or vector, we discussed about is vector quantity. So all these terms we can just describe, with the help of these terms we can describe acceleration. One more thing which has to be discussed, that the very important thing, acceleration is, the declaration is same as the acceleration. Then we will discuss, yes, what is declaration, retardation or declaration? The rate of decreasing of velocity of a moving object is known as retardation. Again the same thing. If rate of increasing of velocity, this is acceleration. If rate of decreasing of velocity, this is retardation or declaration. Is moving object is known as retardation. SI unit same, meter per second square. This is as well as vector quantity. Only one difference, acceleration in positive, increasing, and retardation or declaration in negative, decreasing. Fine. Thank you very much.